Hi everyone, today is MEWC 2025 last 256 round PM round on the case is Bigger Portal by Grayson. Okay, let's see some video introduction. I have another 2 minutes. Okay.
Bigger Portals, designed by Grayson Huynh from Australia. Planet 365 has undergone significant geological shifts due to powerful natural disasters. There are now 11 areas spanning 20 by 20 cells.
So here we can if we do the previous case of Grayson, we can say that we will have multiple tabs like this one.
Portals spanning 3 by 3 cells.
And now here is the portal is expand from 1 cell to 3 cells. So I think the key is like we have to group this number into the same portal. So like
allow you to magically teleport to another area. Within an area, you can move around vertically and horizontally to get to
horizontal and vertical only.
Each move is equal to 1 step. When you land on any part of a portal, you will be teleported to a position in another area. Beware, there is a strange phenomenon in levels 6 and 7. Stepping onto one of the portal cells does not guarantee you land at the intended portal exit point. You might end up on the other side of the portal you came from. The case has 130 questions of 7 levels of difficulty.
Okay,
5 bonus questions.
I have 1 minute left. Okay, so if I like bring this one here, import my Lambda, and then say that, okay, I have one more sheet. So this is sheet 1, this is 21, 11. So here, if I let's say sequence of 20, 20, 20, okay, put this as 1, show I here, and okay, put some x here at the end. The rest I'll just delete. Okay, let's say x here, and let's say we have x here, x here. Okay, so the way to consolidate this one is like we stack or this until n until 11 sheet. So we go like this, and then to group this part, I have a lambda called map group here. It will just say like which number with connected area belong to each group, and then I have option to like display visible like this one. Oh wait, so it's we show like this, and then I think I only need the number 3 1. Why is that 3 1 here? Here, did I put anything there? Oh, 1 for this part. Okay. So from here, I can just take the first number. So take split this one to get only number, and then if error here, just go with 0. Yes. So this is what we plan. So like this is same group number 2, and then we can go on from here. So I think okay. 1 minute already. Okay, now I'm bring in my lambda, and then here is sheet 1 to 20. Paste everything. Wait, disable. Okay. HOI. Okay, now this is like a group that I want, and then okay, this one I use a lot, so name it as C. Next, I want the group number, so sequence of rows D here, and then the group will be every 20. So this means I have to round up on this number by 20 to get the group number. Oh, divide by 20. So like this is like 1 group, 2 group. Now, okay, most of the time I will need to know the address here. So let's say I want the group first. So this one will be unique. Okay, so sequence of 11. and then I want number from each group. So here will be, I use my full lambda here. So B map on this part. Okay, I'm gonna lock this one. And then I want to filter Z. Wait on something. Okay, just that one. So this will be my area number. ARS. Okay. So from this, I want to filter ARS equal to B map lambda I. ARS equal to I, and then I will get the area, and then I only want the number from that part. So let n will be this, and then if 2 rows, if n, then I want n with 3. This B map will give me all the number on this part. So this one I will call what? Portal group. Next, I want the address. So I need to prepare address first. So let's put it here. Address, and then I can put the number. Okay, 20 rows here. And then this one is reference. So this will be my address. So this AD. Now I can use almost the same here, but I need address. So now if n, then I want address. So AD. So this will be my portal address. So let's go with this, and then I think I'm good to go. So first, if we overlap 11 area, how many cells would have no portal? So here I already have the address, and then this is the count. So I can like count if portal address on address, and then this will show how many, and then I want to count 0. So count if this part is 0, so 95 here. Oh, I have to answer in form. Okay, that's right. And then okay, second, one cell with overlapping across 2 area. We cell with that. Okay. So here is the count, and then this is number 2. So that means to roll to call if this is more than 1, then I want address with 3 here. Okay. First one G17. Okay, now we want to continue with this. Now we want to count how many areas. So with that area, I can call with G. What did I name? Pad group. This is like, and then I want first row. Now I can just index first row here with this one. So this would work, but I want to introduce to my new lambda, which is pick, not just first time using. So this will be like acting almost the same as my index. So this is just like pick, and then if I put option 1 to picks, I can pick row number like this. So this part will be this. Now I want to count how many areas, so I have to go unique on column, get this one, and then I only want number here. So count, not count A, count. Okay, good. B level 1. Next is now I want to check if address is on that. So this part will be PAD, and just go with picking here. And then check if it's in here. So if all of this equal to this option, then I want yes, else I want no. Oh, I have to close it here. Okay, now we want to sum row and column number with content X, so is still the same. I want address. Pick. Okay, pick have to be this part. So this is first row, and then I want row number, and then I have my row code to return row and column. Then I can go like option number 2 for row, option number 3 for column. That means if it's column, I want to check if this equal to column and only count column once, so this part have to be unique, and then sum. So sum unique UNIQ UE unique row call on column. What? Okay, wait. Row call unique one. Then I have blank cell, so this part is not show correct address. Okay, get it. To row with 3 before sum. So now I have to remember to like get rid of the blank area. Okay. Okay, now we want to assign number from like 1 to 3, and then this is like from row to column, which is exactly in order like this one. Now we want to do the count if on this number here. So here is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna continue by all this, and then map here, just normal map on this part, and then lambda x here, and then I want to count from all this number. So count if from a1 until x. This will give me the area from top row here, and I want to count with x, and then this, I think this should be already good. Okay, 1 2 3, then I have 1 2 3 to 9. But for more concise, is because all number is like unique number for each portal, so that would be fine. But for more accurate, I want last row, so take last row to be more accurate. So this part will be, the number on the end is just like blank here, so I have to filter that one out. So okay, here will be group number. Now I can look up for the position, which is I'll go with max. If group number on group GN, I should use P, and then had address with this. Be fine. Hey, okay, wait. I want to change this one to GN to PN. Okay, GN had number, portal number. Okay. Now we want to know from start position, we want to go minimum step to the portal to this area. So okay, so here, wait. Okay, just restart here. Picking, I need to filter, so let A will be picking on PAD 1 on this number. Okay, A here, and there will be blank at the end. I want to filter that one out, so AF will be filter A when A more than blank, so AF here. Okay, better. Then I want to find the distance from this part, so I have lambda for that. That will call, so I need address first, so let's say head stack this part. This will be my B here, and then the lambda for that one is called this, which I can go with B, and then horizontal is M0, and then I want to search from top, so I have to have this, and then when I have to go like stack this part with B, I'll have the like this. Then the distance is not sort yet, so I have to sort. Okay, sort from by column, from column 1. So now it's sort, and then now I only want the second one, so this one will be index with first row, second column. I can go picker, but it's just not really useful right now, but just have to get used to it. Okay. Now next, okay, just copy this part first, and then we got this 10 here. Wait. This 10 here with like 3. And then if I just index with second column, I will have the address on second row here. So, okay, this will be this 10 and B position, DB. Now, we want to know that like go to new area. If I'm doing first time, I'm gonna have problem reading with this, but okay. So if we go, when we enter area, like, okay, reading. Minimum number, you always use portal in new teleport, you can walk, I don't know, like first teleport opposite corner side. So like, okay, so let's say if I have sequence of 3 and 3 here, and then if we go at 1, we exit at 9. So just like if I rotate this one 2 times, now it's rotate, and then this is what we want to do, exit. And then if I go to call here, part and this part, we can see that the number is just reversed. So I can just go like equal to 10 minus this to get the new exit area. So keep this in mind. Now I want to know the number from this one. So okay, I need other information. So okay, I need to go group. Okay, G will be, okay, now I go back to index, pad group on row 1, which is this. Okay, let's go with G here. Then I have to use this one twice. Okay, I will be start. So this one will be I, this will be I. And then I want the number, which is N, will be index of Pn on I. So this one, I go V stack I here. Oh. Now we have like this. So, and then if go with A here, got address, so I can look up for address to get the group number and the number here. But the number have to be in reverse order. So this part will be 10 minus n. So it's reverse now. So now I can look up with index. Okay, X look up with index on DB column 2 or DB column 2 row 2. Look up for address and then look up for these 2 information. I'll go with and here to combine. So minus, this is right. Okay, go restart. Wait, X look up. Oh, this is give me only first one. Minus 1 have to be 10. Okay. Okay, I think I'll go N first and then I go N minus G. Address. Okay, now I have N first, so this is portal number 9. Group number 2, then I can look up back to the current address. So X look up again for N and minus G. So this will be like reversing. Return address should be okay, J13, which is good. Then I have to calculate this 10 from here. So this will be my C. This, no, on V head stack or V stack. D on the current address, which is DB here. Okay, I have to put this one. This will be C. This will be C, and then DC, and then the step will be from 2. Okay. Oh, C, no. Confused. This is right. Oh, no. This is the address. Okay. Okay, D is the address from JT, and then I have to go to target position, not here. Okay. So D is from here. This is better. And then I have to sum up the distance from before, which is add up distance and B. Here I got 8, which is good. Now, okay, the next one is almost the same, except that if we go into only 1379, that we go to the other side, the rest will be the same. So the part that we have to change is this, and we will change only when we match the number. So if it's an A, its number X match on N with 1379. So if it match, I want reverse here, and then if it not, just go with N. Be fine here. Okay. Then go to this review level 4. Answer one number doesn't add up, doesn't appear. So here is level 4, and then one number that doesn't show, so I can go with unique. We step on all number, which is sequence of 9 on all this, and then only once have 5 here. Go home. Oh, dot control home will go me up. Then across all the game on level 6, how many more or fewer steps would it take if you not appear on the opposite side of the portal? So level 6. Here, if we not do the opposite side, it means the lookup is just normal 10. Oh, this is what level? Okay. So we don't have to deduct by 10 here. And this is like, and then the difference will be this minus this and sum. Alright. What? Sum 6 here. Next is like across level 5 to 7, what is the total sum of portal entrance cell number? So we want the number on the entrance. So okay, so here this last level, okay. The portal number will just be this one is just like where is it? This 10. Okay, here the C here is the lookup. And then this is the exit one. So if I want the entry one, I just go with N. Right? X lookup, C, A, D, and N here. Cross. So this will be the entry side. We just look up for A and return the N here. So this should be good. Oh, wait. Copy. Oh, okay. Change column. Column M. Column copy. Column M. Column M. Then I can sum all this. Okay. Okay. Should be all correct. Good. So I see some improvement on my Lambda right now. So the distance is like not quite convenient to use. Okay, here is the distance part. Okay, So I have to do the sort and the VStack to get, okay, let's say I have B here, and then I have target address in, where is it? Not this one. Okay, let's go for this. Okay. Not very convenient. So if I have the, where is it? B, okay. Oh, I have to do VSAP. AF. Okay, I have AF like this, and then I have the target address like A1 here. Then to find this 10, I have to go this, like I only have one for the address, so I have to like stack here and this to get the distance. So it will be better if I can put two address and then find the address between two. And then here is like the option is like grid here. So this part is like the address to everywhere. So S stack this and this, and then to call this. So the first option is go like this, every place, and then option number 1 is like from top or from left. So it's go like this. And then option number 2 is like step. So we go from A1 to K2, and then we go K2 to L2. This is all I have here. So I want to give it like to, if I give to, okay, let's bring in this. Oh no, this is too complicated. Okay, do I have J here? So the complicated part is for many options to calculate the distance, like include the deep sea diving distance, diagonal distance. But the main part is this address. So okay, just small part only. This small part. And if I put optional address number 2, I want to calculate between the first one and second one. So I do the map here for this 10. Wait. Do the map. So this part is calculate this 10. And this is if number 2 then drop. Okay, so this will be the option to calculate. Okay. Do I change this? So I have another start. Then I can just, so like this one is like drop first one and drop last one to calculate the from and to. So this is number 2. Map. If GR is 2, go with this. Else just with 2 row. Really? lambda number 2. Oh, so this is row and this is column. So this is row part, this is column part. And then what did I do here? If type function. Oh, this is for function to calculate the distance. Oh, hi, Coffee Puck G. Thanks for joining. Which is I'm not gonna use yet. So I have to change this part to support my new address. So before this, I have R calculate. Okay, R is here. R is this. B is this. Gonna look for this for a really long time. And then if no option, it will go with grid. So the Y here will do, where is it, from to, I have to find this option. Okay, GR will be the option. Where did I use GR? Okay, I need some help. We'll look for this. Okay, wait, GR. Okay, change to capital GR. I have to, oh, okay, now it's here. So where's my GR? I have GR on, if GR equal to 2. Okay, so this is how I do the transpose. So if GR is 0, if number I want, add R, and then if it's 0, it will to row. So this one make the grid. Okay, so this part, will make the grid. Then I need another option to change this into new address to calculate the new address. So this will be target. Yeah. Then if I put target, I want to do calculation from target to each R and C. Okay. Then target. So if target omit 2, okay, I can go with that. Is omit on target. Then here I will go with if 2, then I will do the same calculation here. Else I will go with what? Row. So row call on target with row, which is number 2 minus R. Same for the column. So another if here. Then I want row call on target with number 3, which is row column and minus C. Then I can put target. Okay, let's say I have this, and then I can put target here. Now it's just calculate the target, which is seem better. Okay, let's try update this one. Now my formula gonna be error because the argument is not in the same order, but I can deal with that. Okay, so here will be my distance. Okay, now it's go NA. Now I have to change the argument to from 2 step. Now it's something. Wait. Okay, so this will be out. This will be this. This be. Okay, this is 1. Okay. What? Okay, wait. Not by call. This. Okay, another one. Why it shows split here? So what is this? From top. Oh, now I mess up with the old one. If I go with 2, oh, now it's mess up. Okay, go back. Oh, okay, let's check the current one. So I have this. It will go with grid. Okay. Target this. Not sure how many. Value. Last one. This is still from 2. Why is this wrong? And then if I put target, it will get rid of that. So it should be fine. What's wrong with that? Okay, wait. So if I put from 2, yep, it will be the same. Yep, from 2. What? It should work. Okay, let's go with new one. This, okay, new DIS only. So here, if I change to just DIS and then wait. This is from 2. Some argument is changing to okay. So the old one still good. Then okay, try with new one. Now I don't need to be VStack. I can only get that part directly. Okay, so this will be out. Then I don't need to do that. So okay, AF is the here. Now I can calculate the IS on what I want, and then target is this. go like this. Okay, then I can sort. No, I need both address and distance. So okay, we stack this part on AF, sort by column, and then take first one. Okay, so this part will be my distance here. Also same, but I don't. Okay. Then okay, the out will be this from here to index db column 2 out. I can go out directly, and plus the distance from beginning, so index db. Okay, add db. So here, right? I mess up. It. So troubleshoot here. So I want db g1, and if I go with this, okay, this one is this. I only want db. It's the same. Okay, this here. Why do I? Oh, step is number 2. So 7 step here. 11. B1 until, okay, check the address. G7. So the D. Oh, I have to look up back to the web position first. I didn't do this here. So, okay. So this part have to be D. Okay, so out should be fine now. Okay. And fine. Okay, this part I don't have to swap, so get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay, true, and then this. Okay, so should be good. Now just have to update that part. Okay. So now I have idea from dim lambda lab, and then working on that since. So I like to introduce my new lambda here. Okay, this is in my sharing lambda that I share all the time in the description. But the way I'm sharing, I didn't just like want you to just like copy and use it, and it have to be, you have to understand before using it. So this is like, I'll explain the new lambda here. So when I discussed with Dim, he like say, give me a lot of good idea, and then I apply it to my lambda. So this is one is from Marcelo, Thomas Marcelo. Like he used Python list slicing to give the number. So like if we try Python here, and then okay, put it here, Python s equal to wait, I have to copy this. if I put like this, and then so this is the list from Python, and then if I go like this, okay. Now here we have the list of 3 to 6. So this is like result from Python. 7. Oh, okay, have to be 7 here. Yep. So like, but one different from Python here is Python is index 0, so it's always start with 0, and then in Excel it start from 1. So I use 1 base indexing. Python use 0 base. And then when I use 1, then I want to inclusive the end. So like this one, 2 to 7, it from 2 but not include 7, and this one will give me like in Python it will give like 2 to 6, not include 7. My version is base 1 and inclusive, so I will have 2 to 7. So if like I can, the function is called slicing, and it's work in the way that I can go slicing vector. So this only work with vector. So if I have sequence of 9, and then I want slide here, the first one is it can just take number, take any number, 2 array 2 to 5, 2 and 5. Oh, okay, it have to be called. I have to put it somewhere else. Okay, put it here. Just put it there. Okay, 2 to 5, and like this is normal, and then it can take negative number. So if I go -1, it will just go from the last one, and then -2, last 2. But this is pick only 1. And it can apply this slide syntax. So if I go like from slide syntax here, I will have 2 to 7. And then here is like, if I leave the first one blank, it will take all from the beginning up to 4. So like it's go 4, and then last one blank is take from 5 until end here. And the last, the syntax here, the syntax is here, start, stop, and step. So if I put step like this, -1, it will just go reversing the sequence here. So it's go from 9 to 1. Then we can use this like to reverse text. So if I have like A, B, C, D, E, and then I split this one, I haven't done this yet, so this is like 1. So if I split this, split n on this, it will just go reverse from A to 10. So that's how this works. And then like if step is like 2, so I'm start from 1, step by 2, and then until the 8. So it's just go with 8. So here if I go with 6, now it's become time. Okay, wait. So if I go 7, it still takes 7. If it go with 6, it take until 6. That. And okay, negative. Negative start is like we go reverse from the end. So from 9. Okay. Yeah, SDQ of 9 here. So last 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is from 5 here, and then until the end. And this is like from beginning from last 3. So last 3 will be 1, 2, 3 with 7. So it's take like that. A little bit different from Python here. And like we can go negative of both. So it's go from -8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's go from 2 until -3, which is 7. So go like this, and then step reverse by 2. So reverse, and then step by 2, reverse. So all this kind of stuff. And you have to talk to the way I build it. Okay, slicing. Okay, good. So this is how I use it. Make it. Okay, so I count row, I count column, and then I use maximum on row or column, and then assume this is vector. Okay, since this is vector, it's only work with vector with like one dimensional. So slicing on 2-dimensional will cause you error. So this will not show anything. Error here. 1 is good. Any vector is good, but have to be vector here. And I use bmap. Oh, okay. I use bmap to support multiple at the same time. So, okay, here I can go all this at the same time, and then it will just give all the result like this one. And then the result will display according to the vector direction. So this is like in column, so it will show in column. If I go with row of 9, it will go with row and then be stacked with 9 here. Then okay, let's place use bmap. Oh, okay, here I use multiple delimiter, so that means this can be any delimiter, so like I can go with comma or anything else that I list on. I can go on, but like should be enough. Can go like colon, comma, slash, backslash, semicolon, space. If it okay, if it less than blank, which is number, it will calculate based on number, and then this is how to deal with the negative number. And if it not number, which is text, it will do text split here. And then the first one will be form, the second one will be to, and then the last one will be step. And then if there are no input on the step, it will just give 1, and then I calculate the sign and then sort by when it's negative here. So and now I will filter. So I think I have missed something. So if it's blank, then just go with 1. So it will take all. If it's blank, that means when I split this one out and then it's blank, the criteria will be 1. And then this is how I deal with the calculation. When negative side, it will have to reverse on both sides. And like just this part is like calculate on the negative number on that part. And okay, this is from. Okay, from is one part, and then to is another part. But thing that I haven't checked if I go with one text number, how is it behave? I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try with this one. If I just go with 2, but in text, okay, now it's caused me error because the way I did this one is like the first one is still fine with text split, and then the second one it will have nothing, so this will show error, so that's why it's not show anything here. Okay, and if it error, how would I want this one to display? So if I just go with if error with blank, sequence of 9 on number 2 only, it will just give the just like 2 to 9. You have to deal with this. Like if I only put one number, usually if it number is just show the column that that row. But if it's like one number, it take all from behind because of this. Okay, so if error, I want to take the first one. So F. Yep, this will be better. So I can get row number directly from that. Okay, so this is my one fix. Okay. And then, so this is the index part. And then the step part, I use wrap row or wrap call, depend on the dimension of the vector. So I wrap row on NN based on that. Take. Oh, wait, take. Oh, this is the take part. The wrap call part is here. So I will wrap row or wrap call based on the step number, which is I have to go with A from ABS here. So like if I have one sequence of 9, I step by 2. That means I wrap row on 2, and then this one will be like step by 2. So this is how I deal with the step. So like if I go with 3, it just goes step by 3, and then I take the first row. So the take part will be like either of this will have number 1 here with vector, so I would just take that. And the output will be, so if S, which is, or this, if this number is within the rank, which is more than 0 and less than maximum number of row and column, I go index vector. Okay, so here is something to discuss. So I use n if 1 because of this reason. Okay, it's show only 1. So if I go from T, so here, this is the result when I press F9. And okay, let's say I have sequence of 9 here, and then I go normal index with also sequence of 9. If I just go F9 here, it will only show once, but it's still okay to do the calculation. But I want, like, sometime I go like troubleshoot, I go F9 here, and then when I see 1, it will give the confusion. So the trick from old day is I have to put n if 1 here. The result here is the same, but when I press F9, it will show all item in the array here. So like this one, just 1. So that's why I put this here n if 1. And then the n, if it like just 1 value, I want it to be scalar, which is I put at here. This is a trick from dim. And then if it not, so the difference is like if we continue to do the calculation from this part, like if I go sequence of 9 with array here, it will not spill out, even though when go F9 it spill out, but then this one is not spill out because it's not support the array. So the fix is this to spill out. So that's why I put that one. And then it's only do this add when it's only 1 item. So like if it have 2 item, 1 and 2, then the count will be 2. So it's just take all, and then that take all will have to take all that. So this is how I design it. And this is the first one. Slicing. Now picking, actually the name is from dim again, picker, but I I use slicing here, so I go picking here. I have no idea what the difference between picking and picker. To me, it's just like the same. Picking, okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now the picking. This one is only support vector. So to support array, I apply slicer in picking here. So now it's, and then there are optional here, so array and pick. So here if I go picking with array sequence of 9 and 5, 5, 5. If I do nothing, it just return the whole array here. Then if I put optional with pick, this optional require row and column number, which is R and C here. So I can put 1 and 2 like this. So this will be just like index, row 1, column 2. And now, okay, here I can, so this R and C is support every context in this slicer. So I can go negative for like, I select first row, third column, last third column, which is 19, last row, which is 25 here, and then here is the first row, last column. So I can get this number like this. And it also support that slicing syntax. So I can go like from row 2 onward, from row 2. Oh, I haven't updated the part where I go this yet. Okay. Here, slicing, did that. Okay. Okay, so this is like from row 2. Okay, let's compare with the full array here. So this is full array. So this is like from row number 2, from last two row. First column, first and last column, -1. So it's like support all this. And then, okay, let's see how did I build. So this is the full formula. So this is the pick part. So this is like row and column. Okay, so this is like where I do the slicing to support the number, and then it's have to be vector. So the vector will be row number from the row, and then the column will be the same. But I did something fancy here just in case. Okay, explain this one. So this part is like when I not input the C, it will just take row or column, the whole row or column. So the way it's work is like, if I put just one, so this is like take row, and then this is like take column. But if this is like 1D array, then I can still take 1 row, 2 row, and then column, it still work with 1 number here. So this is how I build that one, and then like row and column. So if it 2D array, this one will always be row. 1D array, this one can be, first number can be either row or column. So this is like 1, 2, number 2, and then this is like, so without that part, without this part, I cannot do that. I cannot do that because I have to be assigned to row or column. Then the choose part here is, what did I do? Okay, so if no number input, then I would take the whole row. Same for column, if no number input, take the whole column. If it 1, okay, add sign 1 to make it scalar. Yep. And if not, just take all, and then the rest is here. And if 1, and if 1, and check again to return to scalar if it 1 item. So the actually I don't have to do this, but I have one thing on my mind here. So like, okay, index. If I index this one with 1, okay, 1 and 1. Then this is reference. Is ref. No, is ref ef here. Okay, this is true. So when it's ref, then I can like go with semicolon sign here for intersection. No, for union. So I can index this part with 1 and 3 because this is reference, so I can use this one. But if the number is array like this one, so now I cannot do that. So the checking here is like, if it's 1 item, I want this one to be scalar. So this one still return the reference, and then I can go with that semicolon sign. So here is like picking from here with 1, and then if I go with 1, this is return more, so I don't think this is ref. So is ref, no, false, because it's return more. And then, but if it like only 1 item, then this one should still be good. So is ref f. Yep. So it's like, if it's 1 item, I can go picking on this one, and then 1 and 2. Oh, what? Still true. Mean this one will expand. What else? Yeah, I think that's this. So this is picking. Then I integrate the picking with all of my lambda here. So b row, b call, b scan, reduce by call, scan by call. So now my lambda will have one option for pick all of this. So like, if I go with pick, this means I can pick pick what? Oh, here. Like, if I put option here, I can use the pick syntax to select row or column like this one. So if not, then if nothing here, then the A will be the whole. So like, this is by call, so this is like the whole column. And then if I want something from this, I have to go index A1 and 2, row 1, column 2, by call. A, okay, just go with A. Then index A1, 1. Okay. Oh, this is by call. So it's go by call. Okay, this is selecting second row, second column. I have to select only one. So 3 here. So it's select column 3. Then this is like syntax to use that slicing option. And this go for every of my lambda right now. So I have option for pick to use syntax like this one. Yep. So that's, yeah, that should be all. Okay, let's see some other. So this is B call. Oh yeah. Didn't apply anything. Oh, you can see. Scan by row initial 0, 0. Array is like I can scan by call like this part. Then the function will be lambda a and v and return v. But now default for this part is v is have to use picker, so I have to put bracket inside here. But the option for pick is for the accumulate part. So if it's one value, I don't have to do anything. Now the value part I require slicing because I force it to be default. So now if I want to do calculation here, I have to pick like 2 and 3 to get column, and then I can add back with A, apply with V1, that. So before this, I have to go index. Oh, but it doesn't work now because I changed already. So, but before this, I have to go index V 2, 3, and then if I have to use again, I have to go index V and 1 again. So yeah, I think that should be all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.